Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and to another exciting video. Did you know that AI can now bring still images to life in just seconds? That's right. With cutting-edge tools like Kling AI, we can transform a simple image of a celebrity into a fully animated video. How amazing is that? Today, I'm going to show you an incredible transformation that truly highlights the power of Kling AI. Join me on this journey as we bring your favorite celebrities to life in ways you've never imagined before. Let's dive straight into Kling AI. Head over to AI Video and click on Image to Video. Today, I'll guide you through the mind-blowing Motion Brush tool, a standout feature of Kling AI that allows you to animate still objects in an image and create lifelike videos. First up, I'm uploading an image of Wonder Woman. We're going to create a magical motion effect with this image. I'll write a quick prompt, then select Motion Brush to start animating. A new window will pop up where I can draw the motion path. I'll select the areas I want to animate and draw the motion direction using the Track option. You can animate multiple areas at once for even more dynamic results. For a more in-depth tutorial, I've already prepared a detailed video on Kling AI. You can check it out in the link provided in the description below for more tips and tricks. After marking all the areas and setting the motion directions, I'll click Confirm, and checking the settings, video starts generating. Let's check it out. Wow, that's amazing. The way the objects move is super smooth and lifelike. You can now create custom motion effects for your favorite characters, all on your own. Next up, let's try another example, using the epic series Game of Thrones. I'll upload an image of Daenerys Targaryen alongside her dragon. This time, we're going to bring the whole scene to life using the Motion Brush tool. I want to animate the dragon's head tilting downward while Daenerys' hands lower with the dragon's movement, and her face turns upward. Meanwhile, in the background, smoke and fire rise dramatically. I'll sketch out all the motion patterns, confirm the settings, and then click Generate to bring this scene to life. It may take a moment, but the results are worth it. You'll have your own custom cinematic scene starring your favorite characters in motion. Let's move on to our next example featuring none other than Keanu Reeves. I'll upload an image of Reeves sitting on a chair. I want to animate his head turning to the left, so I'll use the motion brush to create that effect. Once everything's set, I'll hit Generate and watch the magic happen. The results are simply mind-blowing. Now, I'll briefly describe another movie scene from Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. In this scene, Brad Pitt and Leonardo DiCaprio are sitting at a table together. I'll transform this moment into a gossip session. Let's see how it unfolds. That wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed watching these transformations as much as I enjoyed creating them. Join us again for the next video, where I'll show you how to make your favorite characters speak using advanced AI lip sync technology.
Hi. If you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel.